iPin iPhone. This is a laser pointer for a smartphone which can be used for various purposes, for example for presentations. You control the device using your smartphone and it doesn't require batteries since it receives power from the phone's battery. Connect the iPin in the headphone jack, then turn the top of the gadget by 90 degrees and the pointer is ready to use. It should be noted that a special application allows you to change the laser thickness. This device is also suitable for switching slides and changing the brightness of a projector. The cost of the iPin is $42. Nano Hold. This holder is suitable for any smartphone model. The gadget can be used in the car, at home, or in any other place depending on the user's needs. Nano Hold holds the mobile device on any dry, smooth surface. For example, it can easily be placed on a mirror, a monitor screen, or a wooden cabinet. To do this, remove the protective film from the adhesive side of the holder, attach it to the smartphone, remove the liners, and install the device. One of the advantages of this gadget is the absence of a sticky residue after use. You can buy this holder for $9. Picket M2. This portable wireless photo printer works with almost any iOS and Android smartphone or tablets. Connect it via Wi-Fi and control it using a special application for mobile devices. In order to print a photo, you need to run the program on your smartphone. Select an image in the library and send it to the Picket M2 for processing. The gadget portrays all colors and shades, and in addition, a battery with a capacity of 620 mAh allows it to work autonomously for several hours. The price of this mobile printer is $90. Movie Maker. Developers of the company Grip Gear presented a sliding track for creating high-quality videos. The device is equipped with an electric motor and a railing for shooting. Despite its small size and portability, Movie Maker can be used for professional video shooting. The device is powered by batteries or through an external battery via a USB port. The device is compatible with most modern action cameras, smartphones, and even compact cameras. The motor can move the camera at a speed of 6 to 300 mm per minute, allowing you to shoot slow motion, time-lapse, or normal video. After reaching the end of the rails, Movie Maker begins to move in the opposite direction. It's also equipped with a rotor and can create 360-degree panoramas while moving. The cost of this product is $130. Clicker. Modern technologies tend to combine the maximum number of functions in one device and facilitate its communication with the user. This gadget, developed by the company BBDL, is a great example. The device turns a smartphone into a remote control for almost all electronic appliances. You just have to attach Clicker to any gadget and use a special application for iOS and Android smartphones to control them. In addition, the device is equipped with a voice control system and multiple user control. Access to Clicker is easily transferred via QR code. One charge allows you to use this gadget for 6 months at 100 clicks per day. At the same time, the control distance is about 30 feet. The price of the gadget is $20. Phone Drone Ethos. Unlike its analogs, this quadricopter central system is an iPhone, which is placed in a special compartment. The performance of the phone and the quality of its sensors ensure the full functionality of the drone. In addition, the iPhone can be used as an unmanned gadget camera. The battery allows you to work with the phone drone ethos for 20 minutes, and the maximum speed that this quadricopter can develop is 33 miles per hour. Before using the gadget, you need to install a special free controlling application. The program also allows you to set the route of flight or use the device with other iOS gadgets and the Apple Watch. In addition, the Follow Me mode allows the copter to fly exclusively over the device controlling it. The price of the phone drone ethos is $235. Olo. This is a portable and extremely compact 3D printer. Olo is a small box installed on the top of your mobile device. The user only needs to run the application, select the item to be printed, then place the gadget on top of the smartphone and pour a special liquid into the container. The light from the mobile device will ensure the creation of an appropriate solid figure. When the process is completed, the user needs to rinse the detail under warm water and use the finished object for the intended purpose. Developers note that the printed item can be selected from the image library, or you can create your own using a 3D image. The accuracy of the finished objects will vary depending on the resolution of the screen and the contrast of the smartphone. The cost of this device is $99. Flow motion. At first sight, the device resembles a selfie stick, but unlike one, Flow motion has a number of functions that aren't available to other accessories of this kind. The gadget is a handle with a mount that keeps the smartphone stable, regardless of the intensity of the movements. Flow motion allows you to shoot high-quality videos without shaking and blurry images. The device comes with a special application for iOS and Android gadgets and synchronizes with the phone via Bluetooth. You can control it using the buttons located on the handle of the stabilizer. The gadget has 3 elements to compensate for horizontal, vertical, and rotational movements. Each element has its own electric motor, powered by a powerful removable battery. The battery can work up to 3 hours in standalone mode. The Flow Motion stabilizer costs $249. iOtti iTap. This device will be really useful for car owners who often use their smartphones while driving. Otti is a universal car mount holder for mobile devices. The device is equipped with a special mechanism that allows you to configure and set the optimal angle for viewing the gadget's screen. The device is installed in the vent and doesn't take up much space. The holder is made of a neodymium magnet, which is safe for all electronic devices. It should be noted that the car mount also provides the drivers with a more convenient and safe ride, as they don't get distracted from the road in order to take the phone in their hands. The magnet doesn't cause a malfunction in the cell phone or internet connection, nor does it damage the quality of navigation. The iOtti car mount holder will cost the user $29. Task One G3 Pro. Task Lab company has created an iPhone case made of an aluminium alloy and polycarbonate. The device combines 22 tools, like a 2.5-inch penknife with a serrated blade. The case itself works as a handle, and according to the manufacturers is very durable in order to protect the phone while using the knife. Also, there are 3 screwdrivers which are pulled out by pressing a button. Then they can be removed and inserted into a special mount on the top of the case for proper use. The Task One G3 Pro also includes 6 universal wrenches, a device for opening bottles, a kickstand, pliers, and much more. This device cost $89. Guys, it's time to recharge your brain. Visit the channel Brain Time. There you'll find a lot of interesting and useful facts, lots of positive energy, and tons of useful information. Subscribe right now. We promise it's going to be really exciting.